Alright, so here we have a Yukon 2004. Yes sir, show what's up. So we're doing a lift kit on it. Now right now I have the stock keys in a O-ring on the rear. So we're gonna shove, this is a 3-inch, so we're gonna do the rear blocks and then the keys in the front, and then you got the shock extenders right there. So it should be pretty simple. We're gonna start with the keys, so we're gonna raise it up and just swap up the keys, and yeah, that is it for that. So he's getting that control arm thumb stop cut, so we could put we got the bolt for that shock, so we could put the extender, and then yep. Cause I can't put the key on because it's I just can't, cause it's stopping me up here. So there you go. There it is. That's the block right there. Alright. Got both blocks in. We had to disconnect the sway bar. And just push down on the side of the axle. So I've got 2 in. So we're about to jack it up. Start hooking everything back up. I can switch wide angle on the spot.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Suavemente. Spacious zone. Yeah.
Cut that out.
We gotta put the tire on so we can drop this bow. I'll use this right here for keys. Got the keys maxed out, both of them. Rear you guys saw already. We got the spacer on in the rear right there. Both. No shock spacer in the back, so pretty much is looking pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. So. Let's go look at the other side. Man. It's up there.
It's like 2 inches high.
What? We gotta measure.
What?
We gotta measure.
Look at the camera. No.
We gotta measure, bro.
Oh, yeah.
We gotta measure. Finally got the Yukon. Tune, intake, exhaust, all-terrain, 18-inch wheels from 2018. Big brake kit, vented and slotted, 3-inch lift kit. Rebuilt trans, I mean,